for the second pack. Palkia EX. Hopefully. Jeez. Alright, let's get this. The giveaway card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. So, Remoraid, Ducklett, Surskit, Lapras, Muma, Urasang, Caitlyn, Porygon 2, Rare Candy, and the rares. A Silver. That sucks dick. Alright. Porygon pack. Giveaway card. We have Larvesta, Porygon, Teddiursa, Solosis, Houndour, Chatot, Duzion, and the rare. Oh, that's the trainer. Juniper, Fracture, and a Dialga EX. A second one. Wow, that's beautiful. Mint condition. That's nice. Alright. For the last pack, we have a Genesect pack. Oh, I really like the Dialga. Alright. This giveaway card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Fully hoping for a Lugia EX. Anyways. Aeron, Houndour, Ducklett, Surskit, Shelmet, Reversal Trigger, Professor Juniper, Pokemon Catcher, Remoraid, and the rare is another Volcarona. Alright, see you guys later.